If you are wondering if you can pay with POCO F7 Pro, then the answer is yes. The first thing that you need to do is go to the settings, open more connectivity options, and of course we need to turn on NFC to be able to use our phone as a payment method. Of course, NFC must be enabled, and in addition to that, we can make sure that, for example, Google Pay is selected over here in payment default. And after that, we need to use an app that works like a wallet. So, for example, we have Wallet app by Google. So this is Google Wallet app. It should be actually pre-installed on this device, but if for some reason you don't have this app, then of course you can download it for free from the Play Store. Once you go to the wallet, you should be able to press add to wallet over here, or maybe even add payment card here, and then we have payment card option. You can scan the rear camera, and if for some reason you don't have, if it doesn't work for you, then you can choose enter details manually instead, so you can fill everything in, scroll all the way down and choose save and continue, and then follow the instructions that you might see on the screen after that. Once you add your credit or debit card, remember that NFC must be enabled, and you can also go to the control center in order to edit it to have a quicker access to NFC in case you want to toggle it from time to time. So make sure that NFC is enabled, and if you want to pay with your phone, make sure that it is unlocked when you are about to pay. And of course you use the phone the same way as you use your credit or debit card, pretty much. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!